Hello children. So in our earlier classes we have learned that where we should use is, how we should make one singular word plural. Like we have learned in our earlier classes that if it is cat, then we can make it plural by adding one single s. Then it will be cats. If it is dog, 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 if we want to change the singular number into plural, then it will be dogs, dogs. Now, just look at this, we have added only s to make it plural. Now today, we will learn few words where we can make the words from singular to plural by adding es. Now, you have to learn that where you can add es. Okay? So, in our earlier classes we learned the s adding, but today we will learn the es. So, the noun that ends in a hissing sound, for example, ch, double s, sh, x, from their plural by adding es to the singular. Now, bench. So, look at the last phoneme, ch. So, here it is making one hissing sound. Bench, fox, bus. So, hissing sound means this sound. Watch. So, this hissing sound, if the hissing sound is there, then we can add es with the noun. For example, bus, bus, bus. That means one bus. Watch, watch, watch. That means one watch. Then bench, bench, bench. That means one bench. Fox, fox. So every word ends with a hissing sound. This sound. Bench, bus, then watch, fox. So this sound, if the word ends with these sounds, we have to add es. So it will be bus, es, buses. That means more than one bus. More than one. If there is watch, we will have to make it watches. Then bench, benches. You can't write benchs. You have to add es. Just look at this. Every word ends with es. Then it will be formed into plural. Fox, foxes. Okay. So these are the list of es adding plural. There are some more words in the box. Remember this. Branch, branches. Just look at this. ch sound is at the end of the sentence. That's why branches. es is added. Ass, ass, ass. ass, es. So in each word we added es sound to make it plural. Brush, brushes. Dish, dishes. Church, churches. Match, matches. So es added to make this plural. Now there is exercise 1. First answer is already done. That book, books. Now we will do from the next. That book, books. Name. So is it ended with a hissing sound? No. So we will add only s to make this plural. names. Names. Now next, March. No, it's match. match. hissing sound. So it will be classes. Classes. Then it is lake. L-A-K-E, lake. It will be lakes. L-A-K-E-S. Only S is added with it. Then table. T-A-B-L-E. It will be tables. T-A-B-L-E-S. Tables. Now come to this. Booze. Bush. It will be bushes. Because hissing sound is there at the end. Next, nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. It will be noses. Now here you will say, ma'am, this is also ended with the hissing sound, but still why we can't add es with it? Because look at this, e is already there. So if you add s only, it will be also ended in es. Okay, so make only write only s after it. Next is charge. C-H-U-R-C-H. Charge. It will be charges. Es. Hissing sound is there, no? Next is glass. G-L-A-S-S. It will be glasses. So remember this and read this very carefully. And from the next day we will start learning where we should use yes and IES also. Okay, and there are some odd one also which cannot be made into plurals. Okay, we will learn those also in our next class. Okay, students. So thank you. Have a good day.